Welcome to the Money Breeder. Today market is very narrow range it traded. In the morning it opened, gap down and started recovery. It was very narrow range by the time I started my trading, so I could not able to trade in the expiry and the Nifty properly. Okay, still there is a narrow range of 20 points in which I wanted to capture some small trade. So I attempted within 10 points, right? Option premium, I will get a 5 to 6 points. That 6 points I try to captured in between, and also how the price action reacted today with respect to the top five secrets I mentioned in the previous videos, right? Okay, with respect to those things, whether the Nifty working or not, we are going to analyze today. Uh, Before going into the trade details, this is the standard disclaimer. Please be mindful of it. Okay, coming to the Nifty chart. Okay, this is the Nifty chart. Okay, yesterday, what is the fractal? It was formed here, right? Okay, now this entire region, I am going to mark it as a some support zone, something like this. Okay, the market opened here, started rising, and it went up. Slowly it went up. This is the I know this is the S1. Okay, this is the S1. This is the CPR. Okay, this is the R1, right? It went, okay. In previously it was like very narrow range. It traded very narrow range. It traded here. Lot of people traded. Long accumulation was there. So this long accumulation or distribution, it is going to act as a strong resistance for the today's market. That is the reason. And also what I told, when the price opens somewhere, comes to the CPR level along with the 200 moving average. Okay, this is resist mode, right? This is going to be resist mode, and also previous day close or previous day price action. Some price action is there. Still it is going to be even stronger. All together, okay. This is the price action. Yesterday's price action. 200 moving average was there. CPR was there. All it is going to be the strong, concrete wall. Okay, cluster. This is the cluster of resistances. That's what it is trying to beat the beat up, but it could not able to go up. Okay, this was the market trend. Okay, let me analyze further into it. Since it is the fractal, so we expected it is going. Okay, since today is the expiry day, in the first 5 minutes we cannot understand the market move also. One side, due to the US tariffs, IT industry is falling like anything, gap down, and also the pharma stocks gone up like anything. Okay, so one more secret here is, whenever you see the any stock, okay, that I am going to discuss in few minutes. Okay, after this Nifty started rising, it went, it acted as a resistance, it came back. Now we are having very narrow range, right? From here to here only 20 points is there. 20 points narrow range. I traded in these two green candles. Okay, if I show you, these two green candles are my trade today. In this narrow range, from here to here, this is the narrow range I am having, around 15 points range. I wanted to capture 5 10 points, but I could not able to capture the 10 points. So what I did, what is the time here? 11:10, right? 11:05. Okay, I initiated the trade at Nifty trade. Okay, this is Nifty. Where is the Nifty trade? Okay, I attempted at 10:57. It is not not hit my entry. Then I waited few more minutes. I attempted at 90, not hit. Then I modified to 89. 89 to 83.5. That means 5.5 points I got. Okay. In the very narrow move, right? Within this narrow move, identifying the trade and trading is very difficult, but still I could able to manage somehow because of my experience and the practice I had the to trade in the Nifty. That was the Nifty trade I had. Okay. The learning point here is you understand previous day low is important for today. Okay. And also the CPR, central pivot point, is very important, and also the 200 moving average is very important. Previous price action, it had the long consolidation which is going to act as a concrete wall. Okay, that is what today the Nifty price action. And coming to the stocks trading, in the beginning I could not able to understand where to trade. Okay, one learning based on my observation and experience, right? What I am seeing, whenever the stocks open with the 6 to whenever stock opens with the 6 to 7 percentage gap up with the some news flow. Okay, in this case, and also after opening, if you see the rejection, price rejection like this. Okay, next time it is going to come till this body close only. Till this body close only, you can attempt the trade from here to here. Okay, this will give you very good return, like 4 to 5,000 rupees you will get it. Okay, since I always trade with very aggressively, smaller quantities, so I captured the 2,000 rupees in RO Pharma, which is opened today. Similarly, yesterday also HAL also opened 6% gap up. Okay, this was the yesterday. It opened 6% gap up, 6 to 7 percentage. It's failed to go up. It's failed to go up. So immediately I initiated the trade and captured till this point. Okay, here I made like 1,500 rupees. One single lot only. Okay. Similarly, today RO Pharma, a stock which opens, which wanted to get the sell off, right? Okay, here the price is opened here somewhere, the full of rejections, so it came here, then this candle went here, this body close, right here, you can initiate the trade. This is the target, you can come out of it. Most of the time it continues to fall till evening, but for safety side, capture some points and come out of it. Okay, this is what in the RO Pharma, the first trade I initiated at 50 points and 46. That means 4 points I captured in the options. That means 8 points here. Okay, here 8 points. 8 points fall. We will get the 4 points in the options or the money we are trading. That is one trade I had. And the second thing is Infi, right? Other stock, Infosys, I traded today. How I traded was, this is purely price action. Okay, the stock, the first candle is, it is trading in the range. The first candle is this one. Okay, this is the one, right? It had the reaction, positive reaction. So because of the positive reaction, when it comes for that, right, there could be some jump, some jerk. Okay, this jerk around whatever this candle, this green candle size was like, 5 points was there. 5 points in the options. What is the expectation? We will get 2.5 points, right? Okay, 400 is the lot size into 2.5. Okay, which is going to be like 1,000 rupees. Okay, so I took the entry here. The expectation is till this point 5 points. So 2.5 is my target. That is what I made the 1,000 rupees in Infi. 43, 40.4. Okay, if you go to the Infy 1000 rupees, Nifty I made 4000 rupees, that is 5.5 points with the 750 lot size. Auro Pharma I made it. Okay, if we go to the options chart in the Nifty, you will understand. Okay, you will you can see it. Okay, you can understand that what is the thing. Okay, other thing is persistent, same behavior I saw in the Nifty Infy. Okay, I wanted to capture here. This is what I wanted to capture, and my view went wrong, little bit went wrong. I did the average and then I captured around, 15 points. 15 points I got the around 1500. Then I once again I reattempted and lost the 3 points. Because of that 1500 profit gone to the 1000 rupees of profit. Okay, this is what my trade happened today. So what is the learning here? It is purely when you see the some sentiment point, right, between this, some sentiment point, you have to calculate the things. So, small scalping. Okay, why can't we capture this trend? Okay, the all the stocks, right, the persistent opened with 8% gap down. Okay, do you think you are going to take, because 10% is the lower circuit which is going to be locked, so we could not able to trade here. Okay, like that there are some limitations for the stocks. If it opens at 7%, if you are keep on holding, okay, let's say you move here and there in the house or office somewhere, which will go and lock the upper circuit. That's what we cannot expect the top gainer stocks which is close to the upper circuit or lower circuit. We cannot expect the more returns from there. If that locks, right, next to opening, maybe it will go to the next 5% and again it will lock. So we are going to end up with the huge losses. Because of that, we wanted to aim for the small thing. And also Dabur, I expected to take the entry at 560 or 660. What is the price Dabur on the future? But I could not able to, I could not get the conviction. And this premium, right, the put option premium, it was 10 points only. Okay, it was 10 points. Lot size is 1200 lot size, 1230 or something lot size. For this much lot, okay, 10 points, that means maximum 12,000 rupees we will get. When we will get this 12,000 rupees? At the end of the expiry. Okay, premiums are very low for the Dabur. That's what, even 465, 460 I wanted to. So premiums are very, very low. I don't want to take the risk. Even if this moves to 2% up also, 1 or 2 points only I am going to get. I don't want to take the more risk on this side. That is the reason I think I added to the my watch list and Dabur in the first Auro Pharma I attempted, then Dabur, but I didn't get the conviction to trade in the Dabur. Okay, that's what today entire price action. The Nifty, it was traded in the range bound. Most of the stocks opened with the gap down and traded in the small narrow range. You cannot expect more returns in this case. Okay, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe for my channel and also press the like button. Thank you so much.